All right, we got a 2022 Hyundai Tucson, and we are gonna change out the rear wiper blade. So first look here, this can be a little confusing because you don't even see the wiper blade unless you look underneath here. Your arm is right underneath this lip. It doesn't just pull down. So how do I change this? What do I do? I actually had to look this up myself. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the car on and we're gonna put it into the wiper service mode. That's gonna bring this arm down and that way we can change it. To do that, we're gonna turn our car on and then we're gonna turn it back off. And then within 20 seconds, we're gonna raise the wiper lever on the right side here for 3 seconds. The wiper blade is now facing down and I can access the blade. We're gonna pull it up. Don't go too far. It only goes about this high up. And we're gonna pull our blade forward and then it comes out. So the rear blade on this is pretty specific. It might not be carried in your auto store. It's an 11-inch blade. Don't just go pick up any 11-inch blade. Make sure you get one that'll fit the Hyundai Tucson. Please note the 2021 Tucson requires a 14-inch blade and the 2022 through 24 Tucson requires an 11-inch blade. And to put the blade back on, there's a little slot here and there's a little pivot bar. You're gonna slide that in. It doesn't need to be too tight, it just needs to kind of be snug in there, and then flip your blade up and you're good to go. And then we're gonna just turn the car back on, turn our wipers on, and we're good.